Ever spend more time wrestling with your integrated development environment than actually coding? Let's fix that and learn how to update Intellij IDEA on Ubuntu, because keeping your IDE fresh is crucial for peak performance and access to the latest features. We'll cover 3 primary methods using the JetBrains Toolbox, updating via Flatpak, and the manual, hands-on approach. First, the JetBrains Toolbox. If you haven't installed it, do it now. It's the recommended method. Open the toolbox. You'll see a list of your installed JetBrains products. Find Intellij IDEA, often highlights available updates with visual cues. Click the Update button next to Intellij IDEA, and the JetBrains Toolbox will handle the download and installation process in the background. This is by far the easiest way, as everything is managed automatically, including version control and rollback options if needed. You could also update via Flatpak if you installed Intellij IDEA using Flatpak, which is a package management system. You'll update it through the terminal. Open your terminal and use the update command. The system will then check for updates and begin the installation. Simple, right? The final method is the manual one. First, you'll need to download the latest version of Intellij IDEA from the JetBrains website. Be sure it's the Linux version. After the download is complete, extract the archive to a convenient location. This folder contains the new Intellij IDEA executable. Now, it's time to replace the old installation with the new files. This step may involve copying or moving the extracted files into the previously installed Intellij IDEA directory. Be sure to back up your configuration files beforehand, which may be located at a path like config JetBrains. After the installation is complete, launch Intellij IDEA and check the version to confirm the update was a success. Now, your Intellij IDEA is updated, ready to rock, and you can get back to what you do best, coding.